Welcome to the Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. Today's secret recipe is if I tell you, it won't be a secret anymore, but you can keep a secret, Now to make this recipe, I need the finest ingredients. Only the best for Chef Gazpacho and his mama. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Ooh, those look tasty. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Ah, bellissimo. It turned out so nice. I'm gonna call Mama Gazpacho over and we're gonna have a nice dinner. Here is the recipe again. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by